What are you making?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweetened condensed milk. It is very easy to make and you need only 2 ingredients. And most importantly, it is cheaper than the store-bought sweetened condensed milk. And of course, you have total control over the quantity of sugar you want to use. That does not mean it is not as tasty as the store-bought condensed milk. So let us get down to business. You're gonna need a can of evaporated milk and half a cup of granulated sugar. Pour the milk into a saucepan and heat it over medium to medium high heat until it is hot. When it is hot, add in the sugar, stir it until it dissolves. Then you can lower the heat to medium or medium low heat. So I'm gonna be stirring this frequently so that it doesn't burn at the bottom. You can stir it at intervals, maybe 1 to 2 minutes intervals, but I prefer to babysit mine. I will just stay there and stir it mostly frequently. Sometimes I take a few breaks here and there, maybe a few seconds, but I mostly stay there and stir it until it thickens. As you are stirring it, do not forget to get the bottom of the pan. This prevents buildup that leads to burning. I'm just gonna let you see the changes that take place as it cooks down. So if this is your first time on my channel or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. Let me also use this opportunity to send a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. After cooking it for a while, you're gonna notice a change in color as it begins to thicken up. Once it can coat the spatula or the side of the saucepan, then you know it is ready. You don't want it to be too thick as you're cooking it because it becomes thicker as it cools down. Generally, from my own experience, it normally takes about 30 minutes for it to be ready. So just set your timer and in 30 minutes, just remove it from heat. See how it coats the spatula and the side of the pan nicely? And if you can draw a visible line on it, that shows that it is thick. So it is ready, my friends. I cooked it for 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna let it cool a little bit before I pour it into a jar. In order for it not to develop a very thin film on top, I'm gonna just stir it for a while before I pour it into a jar. And this is gonna speed up the cooling down process. Guys, I just inserted this clip so that you can see how clean the bottom of the pan is due to constant stirring. Once it cools down a bit, I'm gonna pour it into a jar and refrigerate it. Like I said before, as it gets cooler, it becomes thicker. You can refrigerate it for at least 1 hour or overnight. So this is the next day. Look at how thick and glossy it looks. Just like the store-bought sweetened condensed milk. It is way cheaper and of course you have control over the quantity of sugar you want to add. And again, like I said earlier, it is equally tasty. So the more sugar you add to it, the sweeter it becomes. So it is ready for use. You can use it for any recipe that calls for sweetened condensed milk or anything that needs sugar and milk. You can drizzle it over anything you want. I used it to make ice cream and it was very delicious. It tastes so good on crackers and even toasts. As you can see, it is very easy to make sweetened condensed milk from the comfort of your home with only 2 ingredients. Besides evaporated milk, you can still use whole milk to make it. So now that you know how to make sweetened condensed milk, why don't you give it a try? I promise you're gonna love it because it tastes good and it's gonna save you some money. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.